Mema Olivia Kwaba Eba GC News, hot news, all time, latest and hot news. Around the Bremo and grab a kayansa a year Atta, Kwadwo Nkansah, Lil Win, a year a police for Aqua na ni emu semlina Bremo. Na ansa na mede ensemli na beba no Mr. Say so when you subscribe to the channel na Mr. Say obe subscribe. What the Aremeyaw say obe click the subscribe button no. Na wabeli notification no. We sa video fufuro bi ebe upload no. So once ebe can be. After we are now like video no give us a thumbs up. Na fi wa share ma ofufuro so na wonya bi na won hwe. Afi yanko ensemli. Kwadwo Nkansah Lil Win Atta our this nearby a country called Ghana. Neno na okunya nkwashia di ensemble by na okuprimia movie no ewo kumase ensemble na accident ni na ya bofa ba ko 3-year-old boy FM ehwe ni kwa. Kwadwo Nkansah akoda ayasabia na ye treat ni na ye a police for Akoto no wana de ne ko wani kukum. Na ye hwe ye story ebetuga efa yes asemu ya ababetuga ye breaking news ya mdi bramu. And the whole screen so no say Atta Lil Win arrested over fatal accident. There is a conscious no and na ya police for Akoto no and then I also know a MTT before me one day echo. Now I say police at the Motor Traffic and Transport Division MTTD of the Manhyia Divisional Police Command have arrested movie actor Kwadwo Nkansah, popularly known as Lil Win, shortly after he was discharged from the hospital. Let us say Okoda ya Sabiana ye treaty na say no atro na pe one yi na pe enja a police free MTTD for you one kofano. Now, I say the family of the deceased intensify calls for justice following the tragic accident. Not just say Busiano, a brand small boy or hidden Busiano, no one person attending 18 years in Juma. Now, to also check police for one car, one of the between yet to say the discharge na pay and one man or so. The police cited delays in Lil Win arrest due to his health condition. Not just say police from the notice of one against a car, one against channel. Now, so say na pum bi no NCC so na is one camera ho aton and sana one channel. And info na a trade say a police vehicle was stationed at the convoy teaching hospital and he was taken into custody immediately after being discharged by medical personnel. Not just say the discharge Lil Win na pe and the police for about the cabo. And then the share one in the video in or say although the police have not provided further details, the actor was transported to the Manhyia Divisional Police Command of the MTTD as investigation into the incident continued. Now I am share a video no abrana one day na air call no video no police for no the discharge na police for no kobo the cabo. I share a video no I don't know screen so Kwadwo Nkansah na wote wheelchair mu a say one de na share police car ni premier ya movie a wode ba abonten a country called Ghana or premier no na sa akohia no Akoto no ewo kwan mu na numu na small boy 3-year-old FM ehwe ni kwa. Na no na Kwadwo Nkansah so ye de ne to ayasabi a say a nurse for na doctor for ehwe no say da obinya na hodin no. Anu mu ne hoto na pe na ja police for so ba Manhyia Divisional Police one ba ya say one abefa Lil Win ede ne ko one kukum na investigation no ato aso. Na one de na ekọ no. Now, if you trust nigga, say we to be our Kasai or Mabonti, but to be Lil Win, and it's same to be our chess, a police for channel. Now, you get here a year if you trust nigga, means some would be a 2 a far a year, Lil Win accident, a buyer, if you trust nigga, a Kasai, a manady, and send the a 2 You get here a year, some 7 video, you see your pen, if you trust nigga, means 7 or so above the 2 Lil Win and I na buy here police for no one say I saw the more I no airco. Say other so air to good enough so. Manhyia Divisional Police and one of the Lil Win Akwa share investigation ebe to aso. na yeti aye afia Schwarzenegger ne nsema wode tudwa abra aye nkwehye eba ya wototo bi man aye Lilwin enti nsema wode atudwa enti nsema
aye se wode Kwadwo sas na aka kire ne se ma wani na ho because onu Kwadwo Nkansah Lil Win no maybe dan ne ko betini ewu sanya Benz na wo tua na Benz no ko wo twi no mo hwe de Mercedes Benz car ne aye mo hwe de Benz na aye and se no kwa Toyota and any of these cars are enkade besi onu ankasa Kwadwo Nkansah no ordinary kwa Agyarko. We should look at celebrities and tell them the truth. Everybody is speaking about speed and no walk. And up to now, Moses Ongo police station, Moncheno, Adentra. A taxi driver been at the Boakye when they will be we and call them. And call them Uncle Court Sammy Arrést. Is Kwadwo Nkansah Lil Win above the law? Otimi ko twa ni movie. Otimi kwa sorry. Koda nyame ase. Sani chimie no, onyame anku no. Na emomo no ni chimie no, nyame nam so ama wo bi ba wu. Okoda nyame ase. Now my question is, okoda nyame ase for what? Wokoda nyame ase for what? Se wo bi ba wu. Wakoda nyame ase se wo bi ba wu eno no beda nyame ase wo ho no awode no de koda nyame ase no onya bi di ko share oba tai na ne ba wu no osoma ne nkrofo because once again pride that leads before fall. What the car asu obi ka mu I want car bibi anshemu ekuneba edini damu da hospital utimi nya anwoden ekwa sorry dem I want kwahwehwe nipa na wakunu ni fie he is still in what hospital so one for Jimmy and Fia he is still in what hospital don't mama check and the free hospital will call premier me boy what don't mama check and the free hospital will call sorry them all on kwasia ni mujimi no de fabra e moa me twa mo kwasia no fabra ha what don't mama chem and a quarter movie premier na say he's still in the chassis the aboa obi ba di oda mo chere akwala mate se de kwa yebesie no obi ba di oda mo chere aboa kwasia ba say he's still in hospital. Why not in hospital? And can't job someone you meant to aboa he's still in the chassis. Funny face here, Chen. Why is Lil Win walking around and not facing the law? It's what I seem not to get it. Why is Lil Win not facing the law? It's what I seem not to get it. Lil Win has committed a crime and he needs to be prosecuted. He needs to face the law and he needs to respect human beings. Uku obiba yenkwa sorry them. Uku obiba yenkwa sorry them. You don't have any rights to go and thank any God for killing somebody's child. You fucking murderer. You don't have any rights to go and thank any God for killing somebody's child. You fucking murderer. Asante foye enkwasi anso soso ye enkwasi anso soso ye enkwasi atimude wo da nyame ase for fucking what sa nyame na akoda ase no dwene ho nyame na akoda ase no wo dwene ho na mibusa se Lil Win wa akola na mame wa akola na busuafo ana wo suma nkrofo eme ekọ echo hospital echo te sa akola na wu chesa akola no hu hia obi ba 3 years no ne hu hia obi ba 3 years no onye nipa obi ba 3 years no na say ye ku nipa 3 years Kwadwo Nkansah why ye mponi o me pa 3 years ahwe si ye ku nipa 3 years enka wonki ya to wochire nke de uyi musuo obi ba 3 years no onu de ne hu hia wo na nyame agyew wo ena nyame agyew o nyame woje wodi emu wo na bonsam na moso agye obi kwa wo ana bonsam na moso Kwadwo Nkansah Lil Win you are murderer wo ye wudini a wo kum nipa wo kum nipa wo America na ka wo hu wiase biem ade na wa ye no enka wanya second degree cry anka wo manslaughter de ka do be kwa kotumbe 20 years ade na wa ye no America kuro mu ha na wo a ya na ye tigana ho we want the system to work they want the system to work is the system working is the system working we want the system to work the question is the system working is the system working and our system now was say adwuma mabino na enya adwuma mabino woni nyansa nka wodi ka bu bi ke mama ne bewu or papa the hospital akwala da mortuary you don't go to church and thank God you go and look for the family you go and look for the family and we are sitting here demanding justice for the 3 years boy me Atta mame boy no ye kawia and we are demanding justice that boy that 3 years boy deserves justice Ghana police for someone in me you don't want to know we are demanding justice eyesika ye ninara nyame adom says kano ye will be man boro so yet time we are demanding justice for the boy we are demanding justice for the 3 years boy we are demanding justice and we expect an arrest to be made today Amra bien wa chese obi da hospital ye ntimi arrest no ma police need na nchen police for munya chimi no monkwasi asam no police for yes so go police station for munya chimi no muche dem kan celebrities should be the last people ayede ka be ya keche we are supposed to be role models. And if you can't be a role model, you just have to put up good example out there. Good example. And I say, that is not a good example. That is not a good example. And if a celebrity does that, I will see a china song. Now for this nyansa. Me kan kwafo ya Reverend Owusu bempa ye kogu ne handcuff ya chi Owusu bempa na wada police hospital. Lil Win must be arrested today. There is no excuse. He must be arrested, prosecuted and charged before the law courts. Wakum nipa, it's a manslaughter and he needs to face the law. When and that time obi ani mmiri wobi wo me kwa many ntimi nkobiri wobi a wo facing murder charges for what? And I'm afraid of Dana. We must seek justice for the poor boy. Midnight. Was someone from Jimmy and moon classes a moon feeling so? No name quasi a form one danger. Upon some doesn't country. Can't opinion when you soon take one. Ghana police.
Yo, it for winning breaking news. Abramo eye Kwadwo Nkansah Lil Win Atta and police for Akoto. Meaning that ye akunshia etono a 3-year-old boy afamu ahwenkwa. Na no na police for Akoto ye discharged or hospital na pe and I just say a police for a man so wa de na call wana kukum eye Manhyia Divisional Police eye MTT for no na wana de no akoshe wana kukum. Because Disney so and our channel so we are subscriber ya let's just say over subscribe no like it now I share video no ama offer for so enye bi na wahwe also betimi akere wadwen afa eye ensem we na ho ewo comment box ni mo beti ninka bi in my next video.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.